If you've had the opportunity to come to Curiodyssey to check out our animals, you might have noticed that the exhibits change fairly regularly. We are sure to offer enrichment on a regular basis, whether it's scattered diets or the opportunity to work for their food as they would in the wild, or just a change of environment by giving new beds, new platforms, and new structures for them to explore. We will often offer our raptors and other birds a mist or a bath. While they have the opportunity to choose to take a bath in a water dish or in a pool, they often enjoy being misted sprinkler style by the keepers. You can see Bud, our Harris's hawk, who is 12 years old, enjoying a bath here. Not only will the bath cool them down, it'll give them the opportunity to clean off their feathers, put all those feathers back in place, or preen themselves. You may have seen our great horned owl Solo on exhibit. As a former animal ambassador, Solo has met and educated thousands of people. She's one of our more popular animals. Everyone loves an owl, and everyone loves Solo. Solo has been with us over 25 years. Solo was found living in the wild with a wing injury that had healed over completely but left her unable to fly, therefore unable to hunt or escape danger. In the mornings, after the keepers have cleaned the raccoon exhibit, they regularly will scatter the raccoon's fruit and vegetables throughout. They will hide them in toys, they might throw them in the pond, they might place items in high beds, or they may just toss it throughout the grass that's growing in the exhibit. Raccoons are known for having very sensitive paw pads and for washing their food. It's thought that when their paws are wet, they're even more sensitive to the touch and better able to find food items, being that they're omnivores. They'll eat both fruits, vegetables, meats, and insects. We currently have 4 raccoons. We have Jimmy and Drew, who are 6-year-old brothers, who came from Louisiana. We have Pebbles, who is 7 years old and came to us from Wisconsin. And we have Tilly, who is 10 years old and came to us from Tennessee. While the keepers enjoy caring for our animals in captivity, we also enjoy providing opportunities for the native birds to bathe as well, which is what you're seeing here. And of course, the keepers want to have fun themselves.